Hey, this is Dave. I want to talk to you about frame prompting. Most of us do chain prompting in AI, but we forget if we add tonality into our frame prompting, we're going to get better results. And I've been really looking at it, and I think you guys can add tonality into it. I put this guide together, and I'll put this tip sheet down in the bottom. And the tip sheet will tell you about how to use tone. And I'm going to show you and walk you through the whole process. If you can add tone to your AI prompts, you're going to have a better response and it's going to be more professional. You can have casual responses, you can have informal, but if you do it professionally, you can really start using it. And you can use it in business in a way that's going to make you sound more like a CEO, and you're going to come across like you know what you're talking about all the time. And that's what we want to use. AI and generative AI can help us be successful, and that's what I'm going to show in this video. Tell me what you like. If you like this video, please like and subscribe below. And here's our how-to. So today we're talking about everything that has to go with tonality with AI. So we're using Google Gemini. Google Gemini is the product I like. Really gives us a lot of detail. And so I want to put into a prompt in that has tonality in it and what that tone is. So I'm saying I'm an educator teaching students about business. They're working to develop an app that will advise them about future jobs and that will enhance their interview and communication skills. Can you please write 5 social media posts for the app to highlight the differences using the app will make for the students? But please put this in a professional tone. So if I take that out, not put in a professional tone, and I hit enter, what happens is it's going to write it as 5 social media posts for students' career app. And first one's eye-catching and informative that says confused about future careers, fumbling about interviews. Our app is the one-stop shop for navigating the job search. So that's the way of doing it without having a professional take on it. But now if I just click on it and add, put it with a professional tone. So the same thing with the professional tone in it. Let's see how Gemini changes, but this will happen with any app, ChatGPT or anything else. It starts with problem solving. Feeling lost in the job search labyrinth? Our innovative career app will empower what you're doing. So it already will start the process differently and talk more professional as it does it. So when you're starting to think about this, you have to think of tonality works. Now let me do the same thing, but please put this in terms of a friendly, casual conversation. So now I'm going to change it to just like a friendly, casual conversation because I want to see how that changes it. It changes it basically close to what the original was, which was future job, confused, interview jitters, get down, communication struggle. So it was more post-like that you may grab somebody's attention. And as you do this, this really matters as you start thinking about it. Social media posts and as writings, it's the same thing. You can change this. Instead of writing 5 social media posts, write a email to prospective clients. Now if I do it in a friendly, casual way, the email is going to be drastically different because it's going to say struggling students. We got the future career in your hands and yours. Imagine future employees bright and motivated, ready to hit the ground running. So you can see the tone's different. And if I do the same thing, and I can click edit here, and then just say, write in a professional, it's going to change the way it does it completely. And it's going to change it to basically to say, now from a professional term, empower the workforce, the future of career guidance with this app. So the tone matters as you do it. So when you're starting to think about AI, you have to think about that. How tone matters in what you're trying to do. In our tip guide, we mentioned the different tones. Play with it yourself as you see it. Tones really give you that expanded way of coming across and helping you to improve your writing and also those standard skills that you have to do. This is Dave from Innovative Life. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. And as always, if you can give me a like or subscribe. Have a great day.